Hey! You want me to net it?
Yes. Nice. That was a massive sand crab too.
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
So what kind of fish is this?
This is a barred surf perch.
Surf perch.
One of the main kinds of surf perch you'll catch out here. They have supposedly bars on the side of their body. Nice little fish.
Yeah. You want to throw them back, or do you want to?
Nah, you get it.
On a shrimp.
Another nice little barred surf perch.
Yeah, not bad.
My sand crab got eviscerated.
Oh.
No, I caught the one before him. That's his.
I caught it on a shrimp. Hello.
Hey, dog.
My catch up today.
That's fucking dope. Wow.
Caught him right here in the surf. A blue sand crab.
Does that count?
As what?
What's a surf smelt?
I don't know.
Wait,
Do you
that's
want
the
me to?
biggest jack smelt I've ever seen, dog.
I'm actually really.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah,
Dude, that's the biggest jack smelt I've ever seen.
Can you keep that one?
You can. People love to eat these.
What do you want to do?
Let's keep it.
Keep it?
Yeah. How do I?
I've never kept one of these though.
Why not?
I don't know. I've always returned them. But it's like a popular amongst Chinese people. They like to eat these.
That's right.
That's what I think I lost some. Oh wait.
Yeah. I got a
Surf perch.
Nice.
That's the release.
The release.
And he give it back to the ocean. I just love I love hyping up the I guess myth and mystique of fishing.
Yeah.
Oh, he choked it. I don't know if I can get this out.
I can grab my pliers. You want to hold
Yeah,
the
keep
pole?
grabbing. Can you try to get in there? Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. Got it.
Got it.
The release. We give it back to the world. Pretty hard.
There's my first or my only catch today. And I didn't get it on camera.
Oh, you didn't?
I thought I hit the button, but I guess I didn't. Back into the ocean. You just reel in a crab?
Yeah.
What's crazy?
Take the rest of it, you bastard.
Want to flip them over? All right, buddy. Here we go.
Hey, probably a keeper crab too.
Did you want to keep them?
No.
Okay.
No way.
I think I might head out.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super slow. What time is it right now?
I have no idea. My phone is.
It fell down.
Yeah.